In business, as in life, the ability to compromise generally is regarded as a positive thing. It is. It's vital to getting things done and working well with others. I've experienced great outcomes born out of compromise, and no doubt there are countless examples we all could share that illustrate its importance and value. What's far more interesting, though, and fundamental to evolving as conscious leaders, is the awareness of instances where compromise, tempting though it may be, can be counterproductive. I'm talking specifically about situations where we compromise our integrity. What's it like for you when the siren song of integrity compromise comes calling?